Got a runny nose. Dripping boogers all over these hoes. Can't stop the sneeze. Ah, fuck, here comes another breeze. Multiple sneezing. To my nose, this ain't pleasing. I've got a lot of snot, and it never runs out. Some of it's coming out my mouth. My nostrils are oozing, so I might start the boozing. But the problem is I took a bunch of Advil PMs mixed with some liquor that might be the end of my sneezing and my life.